Hello and welcome back. So you're planning to take your drone to Thailand. Great. Thailand offers some amazing locations for flying your drone. But before you can get your drone up into the sky, you need to be aware of the rules and regulations for operating your drone in Thailand. In Thailand, all drones which are equipped with camera must be registered with two authorities, CAAT and NBTC. So, Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand and National Broadcasting and Telecommunication Commission. If you're caught using your drone without the proper registration, you can face quite significant penalties, up to about 100,000 Thai baht or up to 5 years imprisonment, or both, and you don't want that. Additionally, to register your drone, you do need drone insurance, and the drones must be registered within 30 days of entering Thailand or within 30 days of drone purchase if you're purchasing it in Thailand. With that being said, before we get into the process of drone registration in Thailand, let's go over through generic rules of operating the drone in Thailand. And the rules for operating the drone in Thailand are as follows. Drone pilots must maintain visual line of sight with their drones at all times. Drones must not be flown within 30 meters of any person, vehicle, construction or building. Drones must not be flown in restricted areas without authorization. You cannot use your drone within 9 kilometers of any airport or temporary airfield. You must avoid flying near crowds. It's also prohibited to fly over cities and villages. To take off and land, you must obtain permission from the property owner. Quite often, we just get the permission from the security guard or from reception desk of the location where we're planning to fly the drone. Drone flights are permitted only during daylight hours. And under the law, you need to have an emergency plan. And that also includes the requirement to carry a small fire extinguisher with you. Now, with the basics of flying the drone in Thailand covered, let's look at the registration process of drones. First, you need to register your drone with Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. The registration process is relatively straightforward. You need to go and create an account on the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand website. To do that, you do require to have a Thai phone number. So if you are currently outside of Thailand and don't have a Thai phone number, you will need to do it once you're in the country. The process itself takes about 1 to 2 days to get it registered, but it also requires for you to do the test. It's an online test of 40 questions, which is timed. And if you pass the test, you're good to go. If you fail the test, you have to wait 24 hours before you can resit the test again. And the documents which are required for registration are proof of drone ownership or proof of purchase, pictures of the drone including serial number, and copy of your insurance policy for the drone. And the whole process is done online and, as I said, takes about 1 to 2 days. And I'll have all the links to relevant websites in the description of this video. Once your drone is registered with CAAT, next step is to register your drone with NBTC. The process of registering the drone also usually takes about 1 to 2 days. Sometimes you get the decision on the next business day, but it's not guaranteed. And to register the drone with NBTC, you need to submit the following documents. Declaration of conformity, your passport and visa or arrival stamp, date of possession of the drone or purchase of the drone, drone photos including serial number, and controller photos including serial number. You also need to pay a fee of 200 baht. Unfortunately, currently, NBTC does not have an online payment platform, so that needs to be done as a bank transfer. Also, the fee may change, but at the time of making this video, the fee stands at 200 baht. So as you can see, the drone registration process in Thailand is relatively simple. There are two authorities and it takes 1 to 2 days to register with each. So maximum within 4 days, providing you have all the relevant information and you pass the exam, you can have your registrations done and flying your drone. And that's about it. It's not difficult. Just follow the process. You'll get it done and you'll enjoy flying your drone. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and good luck flying your drone in Thailand.